So here is a quick trick for you folks. Sometimes I want to colorize it, but I don't want to do that from scratch. Especially I transfer from traditional drawing to digital drawing. The reason I transfer to do digital is because I want to do things quicker and more efficient, but also get a traditional feel. So here is the thing for you folks. So while you are doing this, you can directly add filter to get the base color, and then you can play around with it. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do is filter. We got neural filter, okay? And inside the neural filter, you can actually load a colorize, okay? And then you just need to click colorize. Will automatically, boom, give you a colorized. And then of course, let me make myself a little bit smaller here. So what I'm going to do is to make myself a little bit smaller, so you can actually change to different profile. So high contrast. If you're like really into this high contrast feeling, you can do that. Or like light yellow, like it's a fairy. Come on, it's a fairy. But to be honest, I just want to use the none because I don't want to change a lot of things. This is like a neutral feeling, and I love it. Okay, then you can start from here. Okay, this is like a quick adding a watercolor sort of a feeling to the whole image, and then you can adding a creative color later.